Welcome back to Sound 4th grade scientists. Today we're working on lesson 2.2, activity 1, using the energy conversion sorting tool. Let's review our unit question. Our goal for the entire unit is to figure out how the electrical system works. Today, specifically, our question to be answered is, how do devices have so many different output energy forms when they're plugged into the same electrical system? So what is this asking? It's saying, I plug my fan into the electrical outlet and I get motion energy because those blades spin. But I also plug my speakers in to the same electrical system, and how come I get sound? That's what we're going to try and figure out. So far we have used our reference book and our simulation to come to a new understanding about this, about the function of electrical devices. So can you remember what we decided as a class? Using the simulation and the reference book, what did we learn about electrical devices? Take a minute to think about it. If you said that the function of electrical devices is to give us different energy forms, well, you're correct. The fan gave us motion, the speakers gave us sound, different energy forms. Good job. I'm going to have you watch a video that explains the converter we're going to use today. So listen up carefully.
The energy conversion sorting tool lets us show what we have learned about energy systems. We can show how energy changes from one form to another. This is the energy converter box. This is where things that convert energy from one form to another go. You can select an energy converter and drop it into the diagram. The different energy types can be found here. The energy input form is the form of energy needed for your energy converter to run. You can drag the energy type from the bar into the circle on the diagram. You will place the output energy forms here. Output energy means the forms the device converts energy into. Select energy forms from the bar to fill these circles. Some converters might have two forms of output energy, but some might only have one. The sorting tool will not tell you whether your choices are correct or incorrect. You can remove elements from the diagram by dragging them back down. Click the Instructions button to review the task.
Okay, so our job today is to use the sorting tool you saw to show how energy changes from one form to another. I've provided for you a graphic organizer in Seesaw, and you will have all these energy converters already filled in. Your job will be to then tell me what input energy form is used and what output energy form there will be. There might be one, there might be more than one. Now remember, it told us that it's not going to correct it for you, so you have to use the knowledge you've gained so far to know what output energy could come from these converters. So if I put in a fan, am I going to get light energy, motion energy, sound energy, electrical energy, thermal, or chemical? Some of those are correct, some are not. So use the knowledge you've already gained. Well, how are you going to get to that sorting tool? Here's how you're going to do it. We're going to go to the same places we did before for our simulation. The only difference this time is you're going to click on the blue one, the blue box. That will give us the right tool. And in case you don't remember, here's how you get to the converters, the simulations. You're going to go to your SHS bookmarks, choose Amplify Science. At the bottom, choose Login with Amplify, and here are our passwords one more time. So have fun, and make sure you finish this before our next activity.